show you what I got.
Welcome to another episode of Checking Out the Countertops. We are back in Alys Beach and we're going to show you some incredible stonework. So as soon as we enter the immaculate courtyard of this house, we find ourselves here in this stunning outdoor kitchen fitted with Dolce Vita quartzite. Here we are stepping into this eloquent and beautiful kitchen that's fitted with a stacked Calacatta Gold island that miters into a beautiful stone integrated sink. This kitchen also features a full height pony wall backsplash that ties in nicely with this high dollar range. So here we are stepping into the primary bathroom of this home, and the star of this room is the mitered wrapped floating vanity that features marble on all four sides, creating a picture frame effect. So our second floor sitting bar replicates the design of our kitchen, featuring a Calacatta Gold countertop that miters into a beautiful integrated stone sink. Our second floor primary bathroom features the same marble as our first floor primary bathroom, and in this bathroom we mitered wrapped the shower jambs with the matching material. So that does it for another gorgeous day here in Alys Beach. It's an honor and a privilege to get to work on and grow this beautiful community. We'll see you on the next episode.